What's your number? It's hard to tell you no. I know you've got bad intentions. Oh, it feels so good to have attention. Yeah, no one has to know. No one has to know you're my guilty pleasure. Keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. You're my guilty pleasure. I know I'm not on my best behavior.
Hey everyone, this is an aftermath of Christmas and being out of town and getting tons of toys and clothes. So what I did was just set a timer for 1 hour because I had a lot of things to do that day and I needed to just get as much done as I could in 1 hour. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, now obviously I know I need to go through all their toys and just donate a bunch of stuff and sort through everything, but I didn't have any time, so whenever you need to get some cleaning done, literally set a timer and do as much as you can. It's super helpful.
You've got bad intentions. Oh, it feels so good to have attention. Yeah, no one has to know. No one has to know you're my guilty pleasure. Keep it on the low. Keep it on the low. You're my guilty pleasure. I know I'm not on my best behavior, but I stay here anyway. Oh, no one has to know. No one has to know you're my guilty pleasure.
So I want to know who else is like me that uses hand-me-downs for your kids' clothes. My sister-in-law is literally amazing because she's given me all the clothes from her boy and her girls. So we've literally have not had to buy like any clothes for our kids.
Monochrome is all I've known. Faded black, shades of white and gray. Until you colored my day. I was saying solutions, saturated shades until you washed it all away. And I'm left with black and blues. But I wanna see the skies again, the sunlight in your eyes. I wanna feel the way I feel before the compromise. And I want all the undertones instead of being staying with you.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I am doing cleaning motivation videos and organization videos for people who are not organized and very messy like me. I don't have my stuff together. There are people out there that are like you. I'm one of them, trust me. So subscribe to my channel and you can get some good tips and some motivation to clean your house and tackle the messes that drive you crazy.
Sun fading, sky gazing, stars are the jewels of the night, hidden behind a horizon, into the moonlight, into the moonlight. We were chosen, hearts are frozen. We were chosen, hearts are frozen.
So if you're really trying to get a bunch cleaned, don't worry about the little things like his shoe area and the toy area is always organized with their toys. Don't worry about that. Get as much done as you can, like in the big main area of the room, like the toys and the clothes. It's going to make a huge difference if you only have a small amount of time than trying to worry about the little tiny organizing of areas, because that can kind of be a trap, and that always is for me. So that's what I've been doing, is just focusing on those big areas to get a bunch done. So I always start or finish off with a little diffuser blend. So for the kids' room, I'm just using jade lemon and peppermint today. It smells amazing. It's really uplifting. And I stopped burning candles about last year once I realized like all the toxins that are in them. And if you haven't watched the documentary called Stink, you need to watch it because it will freaking blow your mind and freak you out. Like, I am switching my whole house to a non-toxic home, especially for the products that my kids use, because it can really affect your health.
Into the moonlight, into the moonlight. We were chosen, hearts are frozen. We were chosen, hearts are frozen. In time, we are the dreamers, free and fearless. We are the dreamers, free and fearless. We are the dreamers, free and fearless. The world beneath us, we take flight. Once upon a time, and fables on the go. We were dreamers, free and fearless. The world beneath us, we.
Alright, you guys, my hour's finally up. I got as much done as I could. It's still a little bit unorganized, but it's way better than what it was. My kids can actually walk through their floor without stepping on clothes. But if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. If you're an unorganized mom like me, you'll really benefit from my videos because I'm really focusing on organizing and just getting stuff cleaned and trying to get routines. So subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time with another video.